In this video, I'm going to be talking about what it means to abide as Christ, as described in the text, The Way of Mastery, and the invitation and the explanation Jeshua gives to us in that text about how to practice this. If you're new to the channel, welcome, I'm Richard. On this channel, I make videos about spirituality and psychology from my own lived experience of these things and what I found helpful. So, let's get into the video. To abide as Christ is to shift your identity from the separate, fear-driven self to the radiant presence of love that is already your true nature. Christ here doesn't mean a person, it means a state of consciousness, an awareness that already knows that, as the text puts it, I and my Father are one, or put another way, that my higher sense of self is one that I share with all of humanity. To abide as Christ means to rest your attention in that awareness, to choose, moment by moment, to identify with the truth of your being, instead of the stories of fear of the mind. In the text, Jeshua makes it simple. You are already Christ. You've simply forgotten. And your task could be, should you choose to take it up, to remember that fact. And remembering is not a philosophy, it's a practice. Jeshua invites us to try this identity on, to pause and feel what it feels like to be whole, to breathe as one who is already safe, to look at the world as one who is already forgiven, to act as one who cannot be separated from love. This is not pretending, it's returning to the truth beneath the noise of the mind. Even a few seconds of practice of this begins to retrain your nervous system, your emotional body, and your perception itself. You begin choosing the Christ mind, the mind of love, instead of the authority of fear. And Jeshua is crystal clear. Choose to be who you truly are, not later, not when you're healed, but now. Abiding as Christ means letting your being lead your doing. This is the heart of the Way of Mastery, a return to your true identity, and all of that in the middle of ordinary life, until it becomes the only way you know how to be.